Okay. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We'll finish this question. We'll continue doing all the exams questions. I have this one. By using the undetermined coefficients, okay, he gave me the method. Y double prime plus 4y equal cosine square. We don't have cosine square. We don't have, yeah. We say the function to be multiple of polynomials times exponential times cosine beta or sine beta. Be careful. This cosine square, I can do this trick. And cosine 2x is 2 cosine square minus 1. So that means 2 cosine square is equal to what? 1 plus cosine 2x. So cosine square is half plus half cosine 2x. That's it. So this equation, I can rewrite it as y double prime plus 4y equal half plus half cosine 2x. Now I can work out the undetermined coefficient. I need to have here the auxiliary equation for the homogeneous. That will be r squared plus 4 equals 0. So I have r equal plus or minus 2i. And what is will be yc? c1 cosine 2x plus c2 sine 2x. Okay. What are the roots from here? Backward. That will be 0 plus or minus 2i. So what is my new list? 0 plus or minus 2i plus or minus 2i. I have plus or minus 2i from here and from there. Okay. So yb hat will be a plus b cosine 2x plus c sine 2x plus dx cosine 2x plus ax sine 2x. They need to cancel yc. So I cancel this and this. Yeah, usually we will try it a, b, c. This is C1, C2, C3, C4. That will not make a difference, but just to be consistent. So what is my YP? A plus BX cosine 2x plus CX sine 2x. What is this one? That will be my answer. Solve this by using the undetermined coefficients. They call it annihilator approach. What we are doing, they call it annihilator. Modified annihilator approach somehow. Okay. So now we need to solve this. So first I need to solve the homogeneous as usual. So you have r squared plus 3r equals 0. So you have r times r plus 3 equals 0. So you have r equal 0 and minus 3, and yc is c1 plus c2e minus 3x. Okay. That will be yc. Then I'll find the zeros from here. These 4x minus 5, they gave me only 2 zeros. Because it will be c1 plus c2x, where if I put c2 4 and c1 minus 5, I'm getting it. So I don't need to do zeros from this and zeros. No, both are give me 0, 0. Okay. So my new list will be what? 0, 0, 0, and minus 3. So yb hat will be c1 plus c2x plus c3x squared plus c4 e minus 3x. Then I cancel yc. So I cancel this and I cancel this. So what is yp? yp will be, the form of yp will be ax plus bx squared. I need to find y double prime, so I have y prime will be a plus 2bx. Yb double prime will be 2b. That multiplied by 1, this is by 3, and this is by 0. Now let's substitute in 1. Well, let me call this equation. Okay, what I have, yb double prime plus 3yb prime, that I have 2b plus 3a plus 6bx. That should equal what? 4x minus 5. Now what's the coefficient of 1? I have 3a plus 2b, and that should equal minus 5. What's the coefficient of x? That will be what? 6b in this side and 4 in the other side. So b equal 2 over 3. Plug it here. I'm getting what? 3a plus 4 over 3 equal minus 5. So 3a equal minus 5 minus 4 over 3, which is minus 19 over 3. So a equal minus 19 over 9. So my yp will be what? Ax, what is a? Minus 19 over 9x. Okay. Plus 2 over 3 x squared. What's it be? That will be yp. My general solution, y equal yc plus yb. That is, what is yc? Plus yb. Okay. You can check it easily. Yeah, you can find. Yeah, this one is okay. You can find second derivative of this. It should give me 4x minus 5. Yeah. I'll leave it for you to check. Okay. Solve this. This. Can I do undetermined coefficient? No. I need variation parameters. So what is my first step? Standard form. Yes, it's standard form. What is f of x? Plus x squared. I need a standard form just to make it in this way. Yeah. So let me, just to find f of x. Make the standard form to find f of x. That's the most important thing. 2, I solve the homogeneous. So I have y double prime minus 2y prime plus y equals 0. So I'm getting what? R squared minus 2r, which is r minus 1 squared. So I have r 1, 1. What is yc? c1 ax plus c2 x ax. This is y1. This is y2. Good. 3. I have the Ronskin of y1, y2. That will be easy one. Ax, x, ax. Product of two function, ax plus x, ax. That'll give me e to x plus x e to x minus x e to x. That'll give me e to x. The value 1, I have 0. And ax over 1 plus x squared. Here I have what? X, ax plus x, ax. That I need a minus sign, so it's minus x e to x over 1 plus x squared. W2, I have ax, 0, ax, 1 plus x squared. That gives me e to x over 1 plus x squared. Okay, u1 prime will be w1 over w. That will be what? Minus x e to x over 1 plus x squared over w, which is times 1 over e to x. Cancelled. So I have minus x over 1 over x squared. That u1 prime. What is u1? will be the integral of that. Put the minus here. You know what, I need space. I need minus, I need 2.5 dx. So it will be minus half ln 1 minus x squared, 1 plus x squared. No need for the absolute value since this is positive. Okay. U2 prime, nice one. W, this is step 4. W2 over W. What is W2? It's e to x over 1 plus x squared times the reciprocal of W, which is 1 over 1 plus x squared. Nice. So it will be U2 tan inverse of x. So this is YP, U1 Y1 plus U2 Y2. Calculations, yeah. I have minus half ln 1 plus x squared times e to the power x plus x e to the power x tan inverse x. What is my general solution? YC plus YP. You can write YC and you can write YP. It's up to you. Okay. Let it be a linear differential equation so that YP1. For sure, I need this superposition principle. Okay. Let me check. This is f of x. This is g of x. Okay. Now, this is L already. I need to write this in terms of f of x and g of x. What is this? This is 2x minus 1 e's minus x. Let me, yeah, this one is what? This one is 1 minus x with a minus sign. No, it's 1 minus x, but no need for minus sign. E is minus x. Okay, and this one is what? Is x minus 1 whole square. Now that will make a difference. Okay, so now this is what? If I take minus 2 common factor, I have 1 minus x is minus x. Now I make it like f of x times the constant. This one, it's what? Square root of 3 x minus 1 all square, which this minus 2. This is square root of 3, so it's plus 3 x minus 1 square. Now I make it similar to g of x now. So you have minus 2 f of x plus 3 g of x. So it will be my yp, my solution, minus 2 yp1 plus 3 yp2. That give me what? Minus 2x minus x plus 3x squared minus 24x, 23 times 3, 69. Which is this one? Given that y1 and y2 are solution of this, find the particular solution of this one. Okay. So for sure I need what? Variation parameters. First, standard form. No, it's not a standard form. So I divide by x squared. Then x. So what is my f of x? This is my f of x. 2. I have yc. I don't care from where he get it. You have y1 and y2. So I have yc. C1x plus c2x squared. This is y1. This is y2. Third step. I need w. y1, y2. That will be what? x1, x squared 2x. So it is 2x squared minus x squared, which is x squared. By the way, I need x to be positive. Yeah. But I cannot divide by x squared if x is 0. Okay. So w1 will be what? 0 ln x. Then I have x squared 2x. That give me what? Minus x squared ln x. Okay. I need YP, huh? He need YP only. Okay, that's better. Okay, everything is okay. Good. W2, I have X and 1, 0 ln X. That give me X ln X. Okay, U1 prime. That will be W1 over W. That will be what? Minus X square ln X over X square. That will be minus ln X. So it is U1 minus integral of ln X dx. How to do that? I need integration by parts. Yeah, I need U to be ln X, dV equal dx. So du equal dx over x, and v equal x. So that will be minus, don't forget the minus, times all, make it like this better. X ln x minus integral of 1, which is minus x. So that give me what? X minus x ln x. That will be u. Okay. Now I need to do u2. u2 is what? This is u2 prime is w2 over w, which is x ln x over x squared. That gives me ln x over x. So what is u2? u2 is the integral of ln x over x dx. How to do this? Yeah, substitution. Can do it. Yes. If I put u equal ln x, du will be what? dx over x. So I have u du. That will be equal u du, which is u, not u1, u2. Huh? Not right. That will be u square over 2, which is half ln x all square. Okay. Now what is yp? yp will be u1 y1 plus u2 y2. What is u1? It's x minus x ln x. What is y1? Is x plus half ln x all squared times x squared. So this is, I can write it what? X squared minus x squared ln x plus x squared over 2 ln x all squared, which is this one. Correct answer. Okay. Use the method of undetermined coefficient to solve this. Let me write the equation to be sure I can see it. Y double prime plus 4y prime plus 3y. Okay, is it? Yeah, minus 3 minus 1. Good. Equal 24x ax minus 6x. That's the question. Okay. So first I need to solve the homogeneous to find yc and to find the root. So I'm getting what is the auxiliary equation? R squared plus 4r plus 3, which is r plus 3 times r plus 1. So r are what? Minus 3 and minus 1. So yc, c1 is minus x plus c2 is minus 3x. Okay. Now try to get the zeros from here. Roots are what? 1 and 0 2 times, because 6x, it will not come unless I have 0 2 times. And a plus bx. Okay. So for yp now, I have new list of zeros, which is what? Minus 1, minus 3, 1, 0, 0. There is no duplication, so actually I can use this, but let me do it. the long way. C1 is minus x plus C2 is minus 3x plus C4 C3 e to the power x plus C4 plus C5x. Okay. Then I cancel this, I have yp, the form of yp, a e to the power x plus b plus cx. I need y double prime, so I will do y prime. That will be ax plus c. Y double prime will be ax. Multiply this is by 1, this is by 4, this is by 3. So let's substitute in 1. Substitute in 1. And this is 1. Okay. So what I have? Yb double prime plus 4yb prime plus 3yb. That should equal to what? Ax 4ax plus 4c plus 3ax plus 3b plus 3cx, and that should equal 24 e to the power x minus 6x. So now what's the coefficient of e to the power x? I have a, 4a, 3a, 8a. And this side I have this. This is the e to the power x. That should equal 24. So a equal 4. A equal 3. What is 8? Yeah, a equal 3. 24 over 8, which is 3. Okay, what's the coefficient of the constant? I have what? 4c, get this, plus 3b. And that should equal what? I don't have constants, I have 0. Coefficient of x, I get this and this, so I have what? 3c. 3c equals to minus 6, so c equal minus 2. Plug it here. That I have what? Minus 8 plus 3b equals 0. So b equal 8 over 3. So that is yp. Yp will be, oops. Yp will be, this is the form. A, what is A? 3 e to the power x. What is B? 8 over 3. What is C? Minus 2 x. So my general solution, y equal yc plus yp. Let me write it. C1 is minus x plus C2 is minus 3x plus 3 e to the power x minus 2x plus 8 over 3, which is this one. Correct. Okay. If it is linear, so that the particular solution, yeah, I need the superposition principle. This is yp1. This is f of x. This is yp1. This is g of x. And this is yp2. Okay. So I need to write this in terms of f and g. So I have 18 e3x. I need this to be 3, so I have 6. No, I need this to be minus 9, sorry. This is my g. So that will be minus 2 times minus 9 e3x. That will be 18 e3x. So I have minus 2g, okay. Here I can take 2 common factor. What is the remaining? 5x squared plus 3x minus 16, which is my f of x. So this is minus 2g of x plus 2f of x. So it is yp minus 2. G is with yp2. Be careful. And this is yp1. So I have what? Minus 2 yp1. What is yp2? yp2 is 3. So that will be minus 6 e to x. 2 times this plus 2x squared plus 6x. Which is this one. Use the method of the term coefficient to solve this. Okay, I don't think it's difficult. Let me do it. First, we solve the homogeneous. Actually, there is no intersection, no duplication, so that will make it easier. R squared plus 4R plus 4 equals 0, which is, let me do it, R plus 2 all square. So I have R minus 2 minus 2. So it is YC. What are the zeros from here? 0 2 times. Because that will bring 2x plus 6. So it brings a plus bx for an a and b. Okay. Zero and 0. What is this? Okay. So new list. There is no duplication, but 0 0 minus 2 minus 2. So yp hat C1. I cancel the one with the YC. So my YP will be A plus BX. I want just to make you confident. This method will work with any cases. With all cases, okay. With any case, okay. YP prime will be B. YP double prime will be 0. So I need what? 1, 4, 4. So substitute in 1. And this is 1. So I have YB double prime plus 4YB prime plus 4YB. That should equal to what? 4B plus 4A plus 4BX. And that should equal to x plus 6. So I have what? Coefficient of 1 is 4B plus 4A, and that should equal to 6. Coefficient of x, I have 4B, should equal to 2. So B equal half. Plug it here. So I have what? 2 plus 4A equals 6. So 4A equal 4. So A equal 1. So it is YP. A, which is 1 plus half x. General solution, y equal YC plus YB. That is what? What is YC? C1 is minus 2x plus C2 x is minus 2x plus 1 plus x over 2, which is this one. Correct. Use variation parameters here. Yeah, because it was actually I can solve it undetermined coefficient, but since it was like this when we have written exams, so you want me to use variation parameters. Let me do it. Variation parameters. Who care? So first standard form, yes, f of x is sine x. 2, what I have? I need to solve the homogeneous to find y1 and y2. R squared plus 4. So I have r equal plus or minus 2i. So it is yc. C1 cosine to x plus C2 sine to x. So this is y1 and this is y2. Okay. So now I will do Wronskian. Y1, Y2, be careful. I have cosine to x, that will be minus 2 sine to x. I have sine to x, that will be minus 2 plus 2 cosine to x. That give me what? 2. 2 cosine square, 2x plus 2 sine square, 2x, which is 2. Sine square plus cosine square is 1. Okay, W1, 0, and I have this is sine. I have here sine to x, 2 cosine to x. That give me what? Minus sine to x. Okay. W2 will be what? Cosine 2x minus 2 sine 2x, 0 sine x. That would be sine x cosine 2x. Okay. Y1 prime, fourth step. U1 prime will be W1 over W. That equal what? Minus sine x. Let me write it here. I think we have space. Minus sine x sine 2x over 2. So it is U1 minus half integral of sine x sine 2x dx. How to do that? Sine x sine 2x. Yeah, I can use sine at the bottom, or I can do it in a different way. I can do it like this. That would be minus half. Don't forget the minus. Minus half. Integral of what? This is 2 sine cosine, so I have 2 sine square cosine x dx. 2 cancel with 2. So I have minus sine square cosine x. Yeah, sine to x is 2 sine cosine. Multiply by cosine. Multiply by sine, so I have sine squared cosine x. Okay, dx. Now I let u. If I let u sine x, u will be cosine x dx. Then I'm done. I'm done now. So what I have minus, this is du. So I have minus u squared du, which is minus u cubed over 3, which is minus sine cubed x over 3. That's u1. Okay. Now we need to do u2. I have u2 prime will be w2 over w. That will be what? Sine x cosine 2x over 2. So u2 will be half sine x cosine 2x dx. I'll do the same trick. So that will be half. But now cosine 2x is what? 2 cosine squared x minus 1 dx. So that gives me what? 2 integrals. I have 2 with 2, that will be sine cosine squared x dx minus half integral of sine x dx. Yeah. This is how to solve it. The same thing, u and du. That's the other way. I will let u cosine. Du will be minus sine. Correct? Yeah. Minus sine x dx. So that will be what? Minus. I need minus and minus outside, so it's minus u squared du minus half sine x dx. That give me what? Minus u cubed, which is cosine cubed over 3. Minus half sine is integral of sine is cosine. That will be plus half cosine. Okay. The last step, yp, will be u1 y1 plus u2 y2. Be careful, what is u1? That will be minus sine cubed x over 3. What is u? y1 is cosine to x plus, this is what? Minus cosine cubed over 3 plus half cosine x plus half cosine x times sine to x. Oops, all of this times sine to x. This is any 3, I think there's 3 missing here. So this is correct. That's what I need. We need yp actually. To find the particular solution, you need only yp. Okay, solve this differential equation. Yeah, I think I will do it undetermined coefficient. It will be easier since this is one easy one. Actually, by looking, I can find x. I can find yp is minus x. That's my inspection. Yeah, very clear. Minus x is a solution of yp. But let me do it in details. So I have what? First, I need to solve the homogeneous. So I have what? R cubed minus r, which is r squared minus 1, which is r minus 1, r plus 1. This is equal to 0. So r is what? 0, 1 minus 1, and yc, c1 plus c2 ax plus c3 as minus x. What is the root from here? I need only 0. So my new list of roots are 0, 0, 1 minus 1. So yb hat will be c1 plus c2x plus c3ax plus c4 e's minus x. I cancel yc, so I cancel this, I cancel this, I cancel this. So it is my yp, the form of yb is ax. I need the third derivative. Actually, it's very clear. Y prime is equal to a, yb double prime 0, yb triple is 0. So this is 1, 0, minus 1, 0. So substitute in 1. Call this 1. This equation, we call it 1. So I have yb, the triple prime minus yb prime. That will be what? This is 0 minus a equal to 1. So a equal minus 1. That's it. So what is yp? Minus x, as I said. So my general solution, yc plus yp, which is c1 plus c2ax plus c3 is minus x plus yp, which is minus x, which is this. Solve the following equation. Now this is what? This is initial. I have initial value problem. Okay, it's a little bit more calculation. I will do undetermined coefficient. I think this is easy to do undetermined coefficient. So I solve the homogeneous. I'm getting what? R squared minus 6r plus 9, which is r minus 3 all squared. So r is what? 3 and 3. And yc will be c1 e3x plus c2 x e3x. From here, what are the roots? The roots are 1. So new list, there is no duplication. So it is yb hat c3, e to the power x, sorry. Cancel this. So yp is the form of yb is ax, yb prime. I need what? Double prime, ax same. So substitute, I have yb double prime minus 6 yb prime plus 9 yb. That will be what? Ax minus 6 ax plus 9 ax. That will be ax. So that give me what? 10 minus 6, which is 4 ax equal ax. So 4a equal 1. So a equal 1 over a, 1 over 4. So yp will be 1 over 4 e to the power x. So what is my general solution? Y equal yc plus yb, and that is c1 e3x plus c2 x e3x plus 1 over 4 ax. Now I need to apply the condition to find the c's. I need y prime, since I need the condition for y prime. So I need y prime. What will be that? It will be 3c1 e3x. Here I have what? c2 e3x plus 3c2 x e3x plus 1 over 4 e to the power x. Okay. So I have y at 0 equals 0. That implies what? c1 plus 1 over 4 equals 0. So c1 equal minus 1 over 4. Nice, easy ones. Y prime at 0 equals 0. I have what? 3c1 plus c2. This is 0 plus 1 over 4 equals 0 also. C1 is minus 1 over 4, so I have minus 3 over 4 plus C2 plus 1 over 4 is equal to 0. So I have C2 minus 2 over 4, which is half. So C2 equal half. Nice ones, yeah. So it is YB, not YB. What is the solution? What is my solution? Y. C1 is what? Minus 1 over 4. So that will be minus 1 over 4 e3x plus half x e3x plus 1 over 4 e to the power x, which is this one. Is variation parameters. General form. Okay. Let me do these two. Then I will stop. Okay. These variation parameters here. Let me see what will happen the calculation. Okay. So first standard form. Yes. What is f of x? E to x over 2x plus 1. Okay. 2. Solve the homogeneous. So I have what? R squared minus R equals 0. So I have R minus 1. So I have R 0 and 1. So YC C1 plus C2 AX. Third step, Wronskian. But this is Y1. Y1 is 1 and Y2 equal e to the power x. I need the Wronskian of Y1 Y2. That would be 1 0 e to the power x e to the power x. And that give me e to the power x. W1, which is 0. What is it? E to the power 2x over e to the power 2x plus 1. Here I have e to the power x, e to the power x. That give me what? Minus this minus this, minus a3x over e to x plus 1. W2, I have 1 0 0 e to x over e to x plus 1. That give me what? E to x over e to x plus 1. Fourth step, u1 prime, that would be w1 over w. That give me what? Minus e3x over over what? Over e to x plus 1 times the reciprocal of w, which is 1 over e to the power x. That will be minus e to x over e to x plus 1. What is u1? Will be minus an integral of this. Okay, now how to do this integral? Yeah, I let u e to the power 2x du will be what? 2e to x dx. So I need 2.5 outside. That will be minus half du over u plus 1. No, I will let you e to the power 2x plus 1. But that will not make a difference. So I have du over u. So that will be minus half ln of u, which is minus half. Since that this is positive, no need for the absolute value. E to the power 2x plus 1. Okay. Now I need to find u2 prime. u2 prime will be w2 over w. That will be what? E to x over e to x plus 1 times the reciprocal of this. That gives me ax over e to x plus 1. So it is my u2. It will be integral of this. Ax. So what will be my u in this case? I will let u equal e to the power x. Du will be equal e to the power x dx. So that will be what? Du over u squared plus 1. And that is tan inverse of u, which is tan inverse of e to the power x. You notice I did not make, I would not write the c, we don't need it. Okay, so it is my yp then. How's the step? Yp will be u1 y1 plus u2 y2. What is u1? That will be minus half ln of this. Y1 is 1, so nothing is here. And this one will be u2 times y2, which is ax. What you want, the general solution, y will be yc plus yb. Which is, this is yc and this is yb. Exactly. So this is correct. Let me finish this one. He wants the form. He doesn't don't evaluate the constant. So I need to do it using the undetermined coefficient. So this one, give me what? R square, R plus 1, R square plus 1, all square. That's the auxiliary equation. So what are the roots? 0, 0, minus 1, plus or minus I2 times. So it is YC, C1 plus C2x plus C3 e minus x plus C4 sine x plus C5 cosine x plus C6 x sine x plus C7 x cosine x. Usually put it cosine, then sine, it's okay. Now what are the roots from here? I have this is 0, this is 1, this is plus or minus. Okay. So my new list will be what? 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 1, plus or minus I, plus or minus I, plus or minus I. So yp hat will be what? C1 plus C2x plus C3x squared plus C4 e minus x plus C6 plus C5 will not make a difference. E to the power x. Now I have sine and cosine 3 times. So I have C6 sine, then cosine. Usually do it the other way, but it's okay. X sine, X cosine, X square sine, X square cosine. I cancel YC, so I cancel this, East minus X also cancelled. Sine, cosine, X, all of this cancelled. So the form of YB will be AX squared plus B e to the power X plus C X squared sine X plus D X squared cosine X. That would be the form for YB. He said don't evaluate the constant. Yes, he wants the form. So what is the general solution as a form? It will be YC plus YB. Okay, let me stop. Yeah, let me stop the recording. Thank you.